I work primarily in marketing and professional sales. For my longer career, I want to be more involved in business. So I think that marketing is just really a cornerstone of business. So I need to really understand it. And like I said, I also do work in sales. So understanding that is definitely a fundamental part of business. And really before this apprenticeship, I didn't really have a lot of experience with sales or marketing. So it's really helping me to build my repertoire of abilities so that I can ultimately achieve my goals. I think one thing that I've learned that's been really important is we generally think of like marketing and sales and as very separate from engineering. But I think one thing I saw in these development projects is they really need to work in tandem, or you'll have a product that has no market, or you'll be marketing a product but not incorporating all of its features because you just don't know about them. So I think that's one thing that maybe when you're at school you don't really realize, that whatever career you go into, you're going to be interacting very closely with people of different careers, and it's crucial that you do. At school you learn a lot of skills and knowledge, but soft skills are also really important. And I think actually working in a professional environment has helped me to develop the soft skills like communication, teamwork, that are really essential, but you may not learn in an educational environment. You actually need to be in the professional environment to learn.